Okay, hello Lee. So this circuit is a little more complicated. I have the half adder, the full adder, and the 2-bit ripple adder all joined into one. So if we start off with 0, this is the way my circuit is designed. So I'm starting off with A prime, B prime, and then ECEN, and then we're producing A0, B0, and C prime out. So if I'm giving my values as 0, 0, and 0, then I'm going to get 0, 0, and because there's no carry, there's going to be a 0 here. Summing these up, we're going to get 0. So if everything is 0, we're going to get 0, which makes sense because these two would also be 0. Next, I'm going to change my 1 value of A to 1, and then this in turn would become 1. So if I change A to be 1, we can see that in binary it also outputs as 1. Next I'm going to change B to be 1, and so this would give us 0 and a carry of 1, which would give us 1. So the number we would get is 2. So I am going to change A prime and B prime. And we see that indeed the number we get is 2. Likewise, I will work the rest of the examples. And so this would become 1. Our carry is already 1, and so we get 1, 1, which represents 3. And if we look at the LEDs in binary form, it is 3. Now we'll move on and I'll work A0. And so this would be the same as it was before, and then 1 plus 1 would give us a 0. So our answer would be 5. And the LED showed that the answer is 5. Next, we will change this to also be a 1. And then our answer here would be, that would be 1, 1. So this number would be a 1. And we would end up with 7. So change B0 to be 1. And all of them light up. Now we'll do the remaining ones, but make the first one 0. So if I start off with this 0, then we can see that 1 plus 1 would give us 0, with a carry of 1, and then this 3 would also give us 1, so 6. Now we're going to make B prime equal to 0, and then we can see here, when we add them up, we get a 1. There's no carry, but here we will get 0, 1, which would be 5. Oops, made a mistake. Okay. I made a mistake in the wiring, and we end up with 5, as predicted. Last one. If this is 0, then this is 0. Our carry is 0, and we end up with 4. 4. And then our answer is indeed 4. And so that's how it's done.